Bakit gising pa kayo, ha? Anong sabi ko? Huwag magpupuyat. Talaga naman. Nagawa niyo na ba mga assignment nyo? Nakagawa na ba ang mga assignment? Dapat nagawa na yan. At bakit may nagpi-PDA dyan? Boys at the back! Tandaan nyo, hindi kami ang gumagawa ng grades nyo. Kayo. Naubo na si teacher. Oh my god, last 2 shows after Pride. So happy with this bitch inside me. Moy moy. Can I see your face? See your face. Maganda ba ako? Last 2 shows before this private ends, I just feel so mesmerized and hilarious and epitome. So gonna epitome na natapos ko lahat and 2 shows na lang tapos na to. So grateful and happy and sad din kasi tapos na, pero when someone is done, there's another song. Shit. Miss you guys. Wala, nag-live lang ako para makita nyo yung new look ko with the new hair, Bella Fox inspired. Hi Bella Fox! Gusto niyo ba ng picture and selfie with this look? See you pop-up. Pumunta kayo ng pop-up kasi grabe. Tantusan, sure ako. Pag nakita niyo yung mga pyesa ng mga bakla, ko, ayoko na lang tumuloy. Kumbaga kayo na lang yan. Ba't pa ako pupunta dyan? Charis. So syempre magpapakita rin tayo ng magagandang eksena. So aga-aga lang kung ano kayo. Andiyan na yung miss ko. Andiyan na yung miss ko. Hi mommy! Hi mahal kong. Miss you so much. Ganda ka ma? Kasi siya malalabat na ako. Mga pauwi pa lang kami ni Moy. Andiyan si Mama. Say hi to Mama. Is this a charger? Is this a charger? Pinaunin kasi ako nila ini. Sorry guys. I'm so messed up. Okay. Ano nangyayari dyan? Sabi ko walang PDA, di ba? Talaga naman. Go to the principal office right now.
Walang ano?
PDA. Personal documentation area. Yes, mommy. Uwi na ako. Call time naman later is 6 p.m. Pero punta ako naman 5 p.m. Thank you, Ange, sa pagsasikaso. guys. Bye. Good. Hi, nakaplay ni Coca. Okay. Bitch! Alis ka ba?
Bitch. Mm. What is happening up in here? If
This
I'm
happening with you or something with this happening with this you or something happening you.
because don't say something if you just something you just something you just said to me.
You just said to me, darling, you're just something.
Something that you just wanted to say.
I just wanted to say something, darling.
No, because darling is
What happened to you? Is there something there?
there's just something there, something wrong with this fucking shit. Like, I just want to like
I just like your hair right now. This is
oh
your
my
hair.
god, did you notice that this is like just so amazing and the hair is just like
Ah, babe, I
girl.
saw it coming.
Mm-hmm.
How about the VAF show?
Oh, there's something about the BFF show. That's just something we just wanted to
Are we
like
gonna
feel.
go? Um, we were gonna go the sports car in the Buttons remix, the mashup that they never see us coming.
You know what? Let's just cross the bridge when we get there. And when
That's
we
my
get there,
mahal
we're just.
ko.
This is the Mahalko with the kissing scene and the TikTok of Adasha. Go.
You're with my mahal ko.
You know what, Pretty Kokak? I'm so drunk right now. Just I don't feel any pressure. You know
It's just me and you and I. We were fucked since fucking night.
what?
You and I. I like your
I
I, I like your eyebrow right now. It's like it's on flick or something like happening right there, darling.
thank you so much, darling. It's all for you.
Wish I could say the same.
I have something to say to you that we're just. This is something that I want to say. This is very important because
Oh my god, you're kidding me! I knew it! I knew it from the start that it was so this dumb. Kinda dumb. Kinda with a Z. Dumb. Hmm. Cheat head holiday. Okay guys, I have something to announce. This important announcement. Okay, right now. My announcement is